Welcome to part 2 of deboning a turkey, and today we are going to start stuffing the turkey with our homemade stuffing. Please check for the link below for the recipe of the stuffing and much more. I covered the turkey with saran wrap, pounded it, and now we're ready to start stuffing. I added the stuffing all across, and I also add the fillets from the chicken breast itself. Now this part is important. You have to roll it really tight and slowly along as you go. Next, we wrap the whole turkey roll with saran wrap and tie it with butcher twine, and then we put it in tin foil. Be sure you roll it as tight as possible. Once it's all nice and tight, you pierce it with a bamboo stick, and then you're ready to put it on a baking sheet to put it in the oven. Now it's time to put it in a 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven, and you cook it for 1 hour and a half. Take it out of the oven. Remove the tin foil and the saran wrap and let it rest for 15 minutes. And then it will be ready to be sliced and place that wonderful gravy, green beans, and mashed potatoes for that perfect Thanksgiving or Christmas turkey dinner that your whole family can enjoy. Cheers, Chef Bari.